Hello. Well, my photographer is almost ready to go, so I better hurry up and talk about the tree. So this tree is a natural tree, but there are tons of faux replicas out there that look wonderful. We just, as part of our service, most of our clients desire a real tree. So we will go in and we will measure the space and ensure that we don't get a tree too tall or too short, too wide or too skinny, and we make that selection for our clients. With this red tree here in particular, let's talk about decor. So what we have done is we have jam-packed it with red balls graduating up to white and silver. And we have different sizes and different shapes of ornaments. Makes it more interesting. Our first step always is to put the lights on a tree. And we love different sizes of lights, but we like lots of them because we want this baby to sparkle at night. We first of all start by wrapping the branches and the tree itself in lights. And then we build out typically with our ribbons. What I like to do, and it's not always the same every season because it's exploration for us, is I will layer ribbons. In this particular case, I have like an 8-inch mesh white ribbon, and then on top I've come in with a cotton slubby linen red. I've layered them, I've twisted, I've tucked to make the tree look so nice. Then we start bringing in all of our ornaments and we pack it. We want it to look lush and divine in every way. And we graduate the colors up. But we don't always do that. We mix it up every year. We're always exploring with color, always with texture, and sometimes we don't have any ornaments at all. We've even done trees where it is crystal branches, ribbon, and lights for a simplistic look. It's always changing,